something. I started getting anxiety, so I started sprinting towards the food section. I was searching high and low for at least 30 minutes for this apple juice. But then I went down this aisle, and there it was. Martinelli's. So it came in a 9-pack. It literally just tastes like apple juice. But let's bite into it. I have been doing it for the past 30 minutes. It sounds like an apple.
So when I saw this at the grocery store, I immediately thought of the TikTok trend, and I knew I had to try it.
I bought the apple juice that's supposed to sound like an apple when you bite it, and I don't believe it, but we'll see what happens. First, I want to taste it though, because I feel like that's like more normal. It's just normal apple juice, but I love apple juice, so it slaps. All right, let's do this. No, it doesn't. I'm so sad. It sounds a little bit like it, but it's because it's got this, like, stuff on it that, like, your teeth rubs against.
Here.
Where?
Ready?
What?
Babe? No, it was all a lie.
They tricked us, baby. What a waste. How much was this shit?
$4. It doesn't work! Babe, that's so fucking cool!
What the?
I'm definitely not the only one who doesn't believe this. Like, I just don't. Why am I nervous? Wait.
So, I'm gonna get the apple juice everyone's talking about.
Your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
Okay, I wholeheartedly believe that everybody is lying to me about this apple juice. I'm not about to just bite this plastic, bro. I'm not about to just... I need to sanitize it first. I'm sorry. Tastes like apple juice. Okay, moment of truth. Nobody's in the fucking car with me.
I'm gonna show everyone why this makes an apple crunching sound when you bite it, like this. Okay? So we're gonna cut this bottle. So you can see that I've cut it open. When it's slit open, you can pull it apart and see that there's 2 layers of plastic, and those rub together when you bite it to make the apple crunching sound. So yeah, it's real, everyone.
So I heard this apple juice sounds like you're biting into an apple, so I'm gonna try it. Here we go. What the heck? Oh my God. Here, try it.
Whoa!
So I got the viral apple juices that everyone's been talking about, and I really don't think they're gonna sound like an apple, but let's see.
We're on our way to get those apple juices that
We need it.
when you bite into it, it's supposed to sound like an apple. But we found these ones, but they're literally glass. They're literally Store number 2, we're on the way. Store 2 or whatever. Moment of truth. Thumbs down. This is store number 3 and no luck. We're done. Just kidding. Store number 4, here we come. Store 4.
They have not.
We played ourselves again. So store number 5, here we go.
We're here at Target.
Store 5.
Store. Nah.
Y'all have no right taking off.
Bro.
Like for part 2.
We need a small one.
So everyone says that this apple juice sounds like you're biting into an apple, so I wanted to see why. So I emptied the bottle and I cut it open. And I realized that there were actually 3 layers of plastic in there. And that's probably what's causing the sound. So yeah, mystery solved!
3, 2, 1. I told you. I told you it wouldn't work. Oh. Shut up. How did you do that? How did you do that?
This is a frozen jelly fruit. It's been in there for like 2 hours. I'm gonna try it. That actually tasted pretty good.
So guys, when I personally joined TikTok, the trend at that time was, I can take you in if I want to. Lucky for you, I don't want to. Well, obviously no one was doing it seriously. Well, I mean, shut up. Anyway, why is everyone taking the piss out of Bailey from Sweet Life on Deck? I'm so confused. Everyone's mocking this Debbie Ryan and have those apple juice things that sound like apples. I want one. Do they do them in England? But no, I don't want to take the piss out of Debbie Ryan because I love her and she is part of my childhood. Okay, that's the only time. Okay?